and I haven't done anything to this, so it looks like this. You get some extra fabric up here, printed fabric. I did not use this, but you definitely could if you wanted to do a different project. I'm just going to toss that back here. So now I'm going to put my foot down and we're going to get started. And this is a very quick design, 3 minutes. So, excuse me, I'm going to bring you back over to the table. Sorry for the movement, but this is probably the easiest way to get you where you need to be to see. You can see pretty well there. So this is your piece. So let's find my presser foot or my foot pedal. Take a couple stitches, back stitch, bring my pin magnet up here so I can have a place to drop those on as I'm using them. So I am not somebody that sews over zippers, but I am going to like double check to make sure my zipper doesn't try to escape. And here we go. There's your bag. And then I would stitch this.
Well, see, I like them both ways.
Yeah. So it's like, oh no, I did.
So now you have one of each.
Yep.
I love it.
The zippers are just a little challenging sometimes when you're making them like that.